You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of these letters from a Germanic alphabet. If you want to learn more confusing names, including from German, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. From the German word Rune, in the plural is runes. The singular is rune, one rune, so it's not rooney or rune. Plural, how to pronounce in English. English pronunciation, runes. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.